So the top 5 USPs of Periscopics. Well, the first one is that we never talk about USPs. We're not really a very salesy organisation. We live and die by the data, basically, and we like the data. So you can see everything in paid search. You don't need to make any outlandish promises. You'll work with us because you buy into our strategy and approach, which we're very upfront and visible about right from the beginning. And to be honest, we can't make any promises. So you've got to buy into the approach that we work. You should buy into the people and our knowledge, which will be demonstrated by actually speaking to us and making that knowledge relevant to your business. The technology will offer a lot of value, but you'll never ask any questions about it because, to be honest, it's a bit dull. But if you do want to, come and have a look. We built it ourselves. We can evolve it. We adjust it. Lots of people like reporting, that we have a range of different reporting disciplines. The new one is fully customizable dashboards, which are really sweet, but they're too complex to do. I've got to do this in 60 seconds, and I'm running out of time.